let's make one of my favorite winter dishes, Crockpot cabbage roll soup. You can use half ground beef, half sausage. Both of these sausages were on sale, so you know how to grab them up. You can use a pound of meat. I like 2 pounds of meat. You are going to brown it and then add some sliced onions. Saute the sliced onions with your meat. Next, if you have fresh garlic, please chop up those garlic cloves. I ran out, so we're going to have to use the dollar store minced garlic. Saute that with the onion and beef. Drain out as much of the grease as you can and then pour it in your crock pot. Cabbage used to intimidate me, but it's pretty easy. You cut it in half and then chop out that spine. And then you're going to chop your cabbage into chunks like so. And then take those chunks, pour it over the ground beef in the crock pot. I happen to have this bag of carrots in the fridge, so F it. Added some carrots. You don't have to if you don't like carrots. And now you start adding your tomato ingredients. I used 2 cans of diced tomatoes. One had garlic. This one I got for free, so, you know, whatever. Next is a can of tomato soup. You can use a bottle of V8. I couldn't find the V8, so also added some tomato sauce. And then roasted garlic tomato paste. Sometimes the recipe only calls for a tablespoon, but I use the whole jar. Then a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. You're going to use about 6 cups total of liquid. I use this container of beef broth. It's about 4 cups. I refilled it and then added more liquid till it came to the top. Had some leftover time in the fridge still, so I'm going to sprinkle that over the top. You can peel the leaves off if you want to. I'm lazy. Also going to add some bay leaves. And then, of course, salt and pepper. Add however much your heart desires. Next is going to be some onion powder and also some garlic powder. I forgot to record that. This is what it looks like after cooking for 16 hours. You don't have to cook it for that long, but we came home late and I didn't feel like dealing with it, so I just cooked it until the next morning and we had it for breakfast. This is me adding parsley to the top to try to make it look fancy. I mean, it's all right. The soup speaks for itself. It truly was delicious. And the hot sausage definitely made it like the right amount of spicy. Also, before y'all roast me, you can add chili pepper flakes, okay? Please like and follow for more. Thank you.